How y'all doing? Remember when I told y'all in my last video, I will not let y'all see me crash my drone? Well, guess what? I'm just gonna give you a little taste, okay? I said, nah, I'm not gonna let y'all. Yeah, remember when I said this? Check that out.
When I fly it, let's do this. Let's say this. When I fly it, I'll let you see the parts I want you to see. Okay? I'm not gonna let you see when I
I'm not
plant it in the grass. Okay?
Saying that, but I'm just gonna give you a little taste. Okay? Let you see a little something. And you're not supposed to fly your drone inside. I was trying to make it hover, like when it goes up and it stands still and what have you not. Don't do this in the house, okay? Don't do it in the house. It's not recommended that you do it in the house. I was just trying something out, okay? But the fact of the matter is that I was told that the more you pay for a drone, the better equipped with sensors to enable it from bumping into things, okay? Some of the cheap ones are like that too, but they're like that, but some of them, the sensors don't work as accurate as you think. But the most expensive ones, they got those sensors. You guys know, the guys that fly these things professionally, they know. But we start off with a cheap one, and then guess what? In my other video, I'm gonna fly it a little bit better. I'm not supposed to do it in the house, but I found a little trick, something that that helped me maneuver it and have it a certain way that I can play with it inside the house so I can get better at it. Because once you go outside with it, now it'll go crazy, and you don't want to lose it, you don't want to break it. You know what I mean? You want to learn. Best to do it out on grass, like a grassy area or even a dirt area. But at least when it drops or whatever, it won't break. You know what I mean? So in my next video, I'll show you that trick. But until then, y'all take care. Okay? Love you guys. But hey, remember now, don't fly it in the house. That was just something I was just trying out. Okay? No, don't do that. You see what happened. You saw what happened, right? Don't do that. Okay? And you could destroy your drone. You know what I mean? So I only did it because it was chilly outside, real cold outside, and I didn't want to go outside. It was at night. I don't want to lose it, go on the roof somewhere. Long story. Y'all take care. Wait for the next video. You'll love this one. Okay? Y'all take care.